Okay, welcome again, people. I'm outside the hotel, so it's almost 7:30, so I'm going across the street to my ride. I see one of the council vehicle there, but the man one of them just work for them. So yes, as you can see, the hotel is right across from the ocean. Yeah, so this is the ocean across here. Look. See how early it is. You have a man sit down on the beach, or a woman sit down on the sand. It's kind of too. It's not cold, that cold. It's warm. It's kind of cool. They're saying it's going to be cold, but it's not really cold. So here we are this morning, Saturday, the 12th of October 2024. This is Brighton Beach. So yeah, that's the hotel over there. The King's Hotel. Carry King Charles come here, so you see. King Charles, I'm gonna make sure say them send you go down the Tower of London. Me sure say yeah, I'm gonna behave you. That after my me I get up quite a good sleep still, but like I said, the person next to me there this morning, Jesus peace, I don't know if it's a male or a female, snore through the wall like a freight train. Boof buff. Yeah, so from them time I wake up 4:45 I wake up. So now it's about 7:30, you know. Yep, 7:30. And just going to my ride. I'll get something and go back inside before I check out. Them say I can't check out at 12 because I come in late last night, but check out at 12. Me need to forget to me I go by 12. So latest me I check out there this morning is about 10 o'clock. So going up the street and come back. So okay, so here we go. Head to my car. I'll catch you guys on the rebound. Bless up.